dishwashers. Is there a way to kasher dishwashers?
It's there's no way because the plastic parts, right? Plastic parts, and it was used. Usually, the water there is used above the Disposable, so it was hot, really hot water. For sure, they become they absorb all of these things. So what some people say, I'm not sure how is it possible, but they say they can order parts, all of to replace this the plastic parts. I'm not sure how is it possible and how much this going to cost you. From my experience, to order a few parts is going to cost you almost like if you buy this the brand new unit. So it's not worth it even to try it. Right. Okay.
Yeah, and the entire surface on the inside is made out of plastic in most of them. So I don't know.
Yes, I mean I heard from, but I'm not sure. Like, of course, they're not serious people. I told them, look, person can afford buy it on sale, buy it. I don't know. For example, in our house we don't have dishwasher. Wash everything manually. Okay. That's I mean, if you get used to that's not a big deal. But if you get used to the dishwasher, so just buy another one. That's it. It's not the end of the world. It's not the most expensive product, dishwasher.
Yes. So regarding using a dishwasher for dishes for dairy and meat, would I have to get like two separate ones?
Yes. Or I would say the cheaper solution. So if a person does not eat a lot of dairy, just I use the disposable plates. That's it. You understand? So it would be cheaper and faster, and that's it.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yes, yeah. And then plus it takes it takes space in your kitchen, and you have to do like all of the connections. It's a big project. Just to install this dishwasher, it would be like in an existing kitchen could be a big project. It's not so simple. Okay.